Alright guys, I'm making crab salad here. So about 1.5 spoon of light mayo, that's it. And then I'm gonna put in, since I don't have Old Bay, the blackened seasoning will do. Just recreating the pokebowl at home here. And then I'm gonna add a splash of Dashi. That's a Japanese fish broth. And then just a splash of soy sauce. And that's it, just mixing it.
No ponzu?
No, the ponzu is gonna be for the actual salmon. Cause I don't think crab's gonna be good when it tastes like sour. So what we do here, guys, you know, we put the white rice and then put the crab salad and then we put the seaweed salad, and now I'm gonna chop off the salmon into cubes, and where's the free? Then we top it off with this, the furikake. And what else have we been using? Oh yeah, we also put the crispy onions on top of the poke bowl. So. Alright, chopping off the salmon. Since we buy fresh salmon sashimi, this thing can't last forever in the fridge, guys, so you have to like cook it ASAP. You want smaller pieces or a bigger piece?
Don't know. No, this is small.
Oh really? Oops. See, all the cubes. All right, so I'm gonna use a separate bowl to season the salmon. Just gonna rinse my hands real quick. So I'm gonna use Ponzu. So it's a citrus seasoning. Just a splash, guys, like very lightly. That's it, not a lot, not a little. There we go. Very little. And then I'm gonna do a little bit, a splash.
Too much.
And just mixing it. Alright, I think we're ready to go. So I'm gonna use Remy's bowl, this ugly ass bowl here. Just put a little bit of rice. I don't like brown rice, so I'm just gonna use sushi rice. Not a lot, guys, just about like 1 scoop-ish. So I'm gonna put the salmon like that. I'm gonna do the crab salad on one side. Then I'm gonna do one for the seaweed salad. Just a little bit, cause I'm not that hungry yet. So I'm gonna put in the furikake on top. That's like what, like a Japanese toppings?
It's a lot.
I like the toppings. They taste really good. And, oh yeah, forgot the crispy onions. And I just want a sprinkle of seaweed powder on top. And that's it, guys. An ugly ass poke bowl, but it's really good. See ya.